If you've been having a tough time lately, you feel like you have one step in your old life, one step in your new life, but you're kind of just lingering there, questioning your life, not really getting towards your dream life, then this video is for you. I literally asked God, Source, the Creator, to only show this video to people who need to hear these messages that I will share with you today. And the first of 3 messages is that you are in an identity transition. You are shedding the old version of you. And this is a really stressful process. The old identity doesn't fully fit anymore, and the new identity hasn't fully stabilized, so you feel in between. And here's something that I've learned the hard way. You manifest who you think you are. So if your self-concept is outdated, your life starts feeling tight, and that discomfort is growth. So what you need to do is shift your beliefs. And I have a formula for this called the belief shifting formula. And there's 4 steps to this. And step 1 is awareness. Write down the sentence that keeps looping in your mind lately. Maybe it's, I'm behind. I should have figured this out. I'm stuck. And step 2 is to question this belief. Is this an objective truth or an old identity speaking? Step 3 is to reframe the belief. Come up with a grounded alternative belief. For example, I'm evolving into a new chapter. And then step 4, which is so important, and that is to practice. Take one small action that reflects that new identity. And this is so important because identity shifts through behavior and not through overthinking. The second thing that your soul needs you to know is that your soul is asking for simplicity. Number 2 that you need to hear is that your soul is asking for simplicity. When you feel overwhelmed or lost, it often means that your life has become cluttered. Your schedule is cluttered, your mind, probably even your home. And this is why minimalism was so life-changing for me. And I feel like this comes up sooner or later for every person on the spiritual path. And if you look at Buddhists, right, Buddhist monks, their temple, their spaces, whether it's their toilet or the meditation space, it's always squeaky clean. They clean it every single day because they know that a clean space is a clean mind. Minimalism creates space for what actually matters. You don't need more inputs, you need less noise. So if you haven't done a decluttering in a long while, I urge you to do one soon. This week, let go of anything that you don't use, that you haven't used in the last 3 to 6 months, that doesn't kindle joy. Make sure the habits you have are all aligned and leading you to that dream version of your life. Make sure that all friendships lift you up, that you don't have friendships that drain you. So yeah, decluttering happens on many levels. And once you do this decluttering, it's going to be so freeing, and it gives you that space to step into your dream life. The third thing that you need to know is that you don't need motivation, you need direction. Usually this feeling lost, feeling unfulfilled happens when you're not clear on your purpose, your life purpose. So you need more direction in your life. So first of all, ask yourself, what does success look like for me? I always thought it's just more money, but then I realized time is even more important to me. I want a soft life so I can really enjoy my personal life and I'm not just working all the time. And once you know that, you want to know, okay, what is my actual purpose? What am I here to share with the world? You have too much wisdom not to share it with the world. So ask yourself, what do people come to you for? Is it relationship advice, life advice, cooking advice? This gives you a hint towards what your purpose is. And if you want to get crystal clear on your purpose, I have a free guide for you to download in my description called How to Find Your Purpose. And when you download it, you also join my email list so you know when new videos come up, there's freebies, all that good stuff. Let me know what you think your purpose is, and if you want to learn how to monetize that purpose so that you don't need a 9-to-5 job ever again in your life, then check out my next video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People. Love you and see you in the next video.